Alright, welcome back. This is Crypto Bond. So we're talking about layer edge on this episode. So you want to connect your website, your wallet, and you want to start any point. So click on connect wallet, OKS wallet. I'm using OKS wallet because I have OKS wallet already. We have Coinbase, Wallet, Coin, anyone, Rainbow. Just use the one you have currently. So I'm just showing you how I connect my one at my end. So you also make sure you connect your one at your end for you to be able to enter on this platform. So connected, you have to also use invitation code for you to start earning on this website. So make sure you use my referral code, which I will put it in the comment section and in the description below. So input it and start earning on this platform. Without invitation code, you will be able to log into this website. So click on the claim reward to get 500 points for free as a sign up bonus. So click on claim reward. Just be patient for it. You have to input your password as well for you to be able to claim reward with your OKS password. So click on it and click on unlock after you complete the password. So let's just be patient for it. So as you can see, confirm. Then 500 points has been successfully claimed. As you can see, there's my balance, 500 points. So you have to switch to browse node or to start any points on this website. Click on it, start browsing node. So successfully it will process and you start earning points farm. So this is it, 501, 506, 507. That's you will start earning point per second. Every second you're going to earn 1 point. Every second you're going to earn 1 point. That's how you can earn on the platform. That's the first way you can earn on the platform. You can earn in a lot of ways, which I'm going to show you. Just be patient and make sure you stay to the video and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're a new subscriber. If you're a old subscriber, turn on the notification bell, like and share to your friends and family as well. This is the leaderboard. It's at the most earn on this platform, 3 million plus. So we are just starting. We can get there if you are consistent in this stuff. So the next thing is click on the three dash and click on the task you can do to make money on this platform. So complete task, you will get 8,000 points. So for the second one, 2005. For the third one, 2,000. So that is a lot. You see, error, you don't have this pass because we are just signing up. We are just signing up. You can't claim some reward. You have to wait like 2-3 days for you to claim reward. But you can claim reward, Twitter reward, by just connecting your Twitter to the platform. You can get coin points by connecting the two. So authorize and you get your points very easy. So the next step is how you can refer your friends and family for you to be able to earn points on this platform. So click on the referral stuff and this is it, referral program. If you refer a person, you're going to get 1,500 points. So click with share with friends. Successfully you have copied your referral link. So share with your friends and family for you to be able to earn the platform. So this, if you refer 3 persons, you'll be in top 1, 12 to top 2, 19 top 5. That's how you can earn on the platform. So if you love watching the video, like, subscribe, share to your friends and family. See you on the next one. Peace out.